Kawasaki has been pushing the boundaries of motocross performance for decades, and the 2026 KX450 continues that tradition with authority. This machine is engineered for riders who demand precision, power, and podium finishes. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving into Kawasaki's flagship motocross beast that's ready to dominate any track. Design. The KX450 stands out immediately with Kawasaki's iconic lime green plastics and aggressive stance. The 2026 model features refined bodywork that enhances rider comfort and control. The flatter seat profile and narrower frame allow for seamless movement during aggressive riding. Kawasaki's attention to ergonomics shows in every detail, from the grip placement to the foot peg position. This bike looks fast standing still and backs it up with purposeful engineering throughout. Performance. At the heart of the KX450 is a 449cc liquid-cooled four-stroke that delivers explosive power with remarkable control. The fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response in any condition. Kawasaki's Showa suspension components provide world-class performance, offering excellent bottoming resistance while maintaining plush small bump compliance. The chassis geometry strikes the perfect balance between stability at speed and nimble handling in tight sections. This bike inspires confidence whether you're charging through whoops or scrubbing jumps. Features and technology. The KX450 comes loaded with technology, including launch control mode for gate starts and adjustable engine mapping accessible through handle-mounted controls. Electric start provides instant reliability, while the hydraulically actuated clutch delivers consistent engagement. The Renthal fat bar handlebars and DID rims show Kawasaki's commitment to premium components straight from the factory. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX450 is a complete package that satisfies both amateur racers and seasoned pros. It's a bike that rewards commitment and skill. If you found this review valuable, smash that like button, comment with your KX experiences, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motocross content. Ride hard.